Okay, so this is the short version video of the oil pan removal. In my previous video, I followed the tech book, the Honda tech book, and do it the second time. What I learned is this lower ball joint doesn't need to be removed, and so is the sway bar link. So those two can stay there. So the first thing I did is drain the oil, and then I spray paint the bolt of the subframe at each corner. Basically it's just marking the bolt so it go back exactly where it was. And the two front subframe bolts are removed, and the back one are just partially removed. The rear mount needs to be on bolt, and so is the front here. And I only support the engine and transmission with a jack. I didn't put anything from above like I did on my previous video. Once this thing is out of the way, then your oil pan can be removed. And installation is reverse, and a piece of cake. Okay, so I'm using the same Dorman oil pan. I'm really happy with it, and I'm using a Felpro gasket again. Easy, and it works good. Thanks for watching.